I've been seeing a trend lately with gift keywords on Amazon. And I'm going to dive right in here and show you guys this live data. This is from Mother's Day, and this was a food gift item. Okay, so they have a food kind of gift box. Now, last month I had Mother's Day. I changed the names of the campaigns so you can see what they did. But our product targeting campaign last month had 63K in sales at 16% ACOS. Our next best manual campaign had only 24K in sales at a higher ACOS. And we had another manual, a video, and even a display campaign. Now you can't see it, but the display campaign was also at 18% ACOS. So our best converting Mother's Day campaigns were product targeting campaigns, and that's what I want to cover in this video. There's been a shift, and it's if you think about it, it's more of a related to kind of customer habits. So I'm going to dive right in here and show you guys how I kind of came up with this reasoning and what my strategy has been. So if you want to go in here, and now we'll think about Father's Day since it's coming up. You type in Father's Day, and you see that Father's Day gifts is the 4th most popular search term on Amazon right now. This is the light bulb you need. You need to realize if someone is going to Amazon and typing in Father's Day gifts, they have no clue what they're looking for. No clue. Because if you want to buy your dad a pocket knife, you're going to type in pocket knife. If you want to buy him a watch, you'll type in men's watch, men's leather watch. If you're typing in Father's Day gifts, you're clueless. You're looking for, by price point, you're looking for a $20 item. You're not going to put too much thought into it. You're going to kind of just buy something willy-nilly because you don't know what you're looking for. All right. So that's when we need to come to the front of Amazon here. And just one second. I just wanted to look at a couple things here. So because the whole point of this strategy and what I did on Mother's Day, every single day I would come in here and I would type in Mother's Day gifts or whatever that big keyword is, Father's Day gifts, Christmas gifts, right? I would do an ASIN grabber. That's it. So if you think about it, every single day as holidays get closer, the ASINs on page 1 for those big gift keywords are changing. Because when things are this seasonal, like say if someone has a Father's Day gifts, they can never get the inventory right? So maybe they go out of stock. All of a sudden they're not on page 1 anymore. Maybe someone else gets suspended during Father's Day. They're not there anymore. Someone else puts a coupon on, so they shoot up to page 1. So now they're on page 1, but they weren't there 2 days ago for Father's Day gifts. So what I saw a lot of success with was and if maybe you don't want to get crazy with it, but every 2 days, what you do is you pull the ASINs from page 1 for the best possible gift keyword and you bid on them. Now, this is not perfected yet. I just started to do this. And what people are going to say is, oh, do you make separate campaigns or do one campaign? So in the Mother's Day one, I did keep it in one campaign. So I pulled like 100 ASINs the first day that were I knew the ASINs, and then 2 days later I went back in there and pulled the first 100, and there was like 20 new ones in there. So those 20 new ones I put into the same campaign. And then when it was all said and done, I was bidding on like 200 to 250 ASINs in one campaign. So it's kind of a lot. So I'm trying to think, maybe what you do is every single day you start a brand new product targeting campaign. But I'm not sure if the result would be as better for that. But this is the whole thought. And if you guys start to do this, you'll see that they are changing every day. Okay. So even here, if I type in Father's Day gifts, I have these guys. And I have these 4 products, a ring, a blanket, a knife, and a sandwich maker. If I go incognito here, if I can get this. If I go incognito, I have a mug at the top of the page. And you should all know this, that if you open Amazon and your friend next to you opens Amazon, you're not going to see the same exact thing. So that's why during these high traffic times, you want to pull ASINs every single day or every 2 days because there's going to be different stuff that's going on there. But more to kind of the the reasoning behind this, and everyone is like, oh, well, I want to, I want to be the very first person on Father's Day gifts. I told you, these people, when they type this in, they don't know what they want. They are clueless. You don't want the front ad, the very, very top ad. Maybe you do. Maybe if you're a whale and got a lot of money, you can go up there. But what we've been seeing so much more success with lately is piggybacking off of these guys on page one for these keywords. So now someone's clicked on this. They're like, oh, cool. I typed in Father's Day gifts. I didn't know I wanted to get dad an all-in-one breakfast sandwich maker. But now they're kind of in the mode. They're in the shopping mode, right? So now this is what we want, right? We want this product targeting ad because say you have a grill set, right? It's similar. And so if you have a food item, you're probably going to do very well in this because now someone's like, oh, actually, dad is going to like this way more. They're going to click on this guy. And now they're in the barbecue set. What if we go one level further? Now, these guys are crushing it, right? Because they have bundles. They are keeping the person on this page. But now, all of the barbecue sets are fair game. So now the person is a little deeper down the funnel. But again, what I've been seeing is this is how people are gift shopping lately. Because they don't know what they want. I gotta say it one more time. Everyone's like, oh, I have the best gift item. Gift items are people just going through and letting Amazon do the work for them and bringing them to the right thing, okay? So, best way to kind of bring this all back is for Father's Day, for seasonal times, if you have a summer item, right? Something. Constantly be checking page one for your best keyword. If the very top of page for your best keyword is too expensive, ACOS is too high, try this and constantly be adding the new ASINs there because you want the sponsored display spot and you want the sponsored product targeting spot. And these are getting so much better, and Amazon is getting better at kind of putting the ones here that are going to convert well because this is getting better and better real estate, okay? So think about this. Take money away from manual campaigns, these kind of gift seasons, and put them into product targeting. And from what I've been seeing, it should do way better.